couple of days ago, or it was maybe yesterday, I saw that our Made, she's making something from these materials. Ketut was helping to making it small. Finally, I saw that Made is doing something, but I thought it's something really simple. But finally, this is a final result of that. She made this plates, which is made from.
We call it inker.
Inker?
Yeah.
But what that's inker is the plant you're making it, or what is it? Or it's just the form like that?
The plate.
Yeah, the plate. So depend what we needed. If we need like plate, you can use for makan.
But you put inside only the banana leaf,
Yeah, banana leaf.
and then you can eat from it.
Yeah, and then if you
And
want.
then you don't have to wash it, right?
Yeah, exactly.
You don't have to wash it. It's like a
Practice.
upgraded single-use plate. So the longest is actually to prepare the material, but to make it, it takes 1 hour.
Yeah.
1 hour, one plate. Just imagine how many hours Made spend on it. So it's one. I don't know. It's about how many? It's about 20.
5, 6, 7.
It's about 20. It's 20 hours to make all of them. But just look at that. Super beautiful, actually. Wish I can learn. Maybe when I will become retired, I will come to Made,
29.
and Made will teach me how to do it. That's really good to calm down your nerves.
Yeah.
People learn from Balinese. That's the way. There are so many reasons why the people actually coming to Bali. When I heard from someone that they are going to the Bali, before I was visited Bali for the first time, for me it felt like it's a different or separate country. It's not a part of Indonesia, and to be honest, it still feels the same. It's like a separate republic, and it looks so different from other places all around the world. Lipa Beach looks great today. It's around 5 o'clock in the evening, but not so many fishermen. Looks like all the boats are back from the fishing, probably today because of the waves, and probably also strong currents. No one went out for fishing. First of all, people coming to Bali for all this Soul Saints, this image of really cultural place, it's going in the front of everything else. Thank you, John, by the way, to post your photos from 1997. It's always amazing. It's like a time machine which brings us back. And you probably were the one who started, who developed this place as a diving place, because there was only a few shops here and only a few homestays at that time. I've been living here 4 years, and that's why for me it's like feels like natural, and I would like to talk to myself when I just arrived in Bali and ask the questions, what was the first feelings, but it's kind of really in the past and I don't remember. But you, Laura, I think you still remember the moment when I was already here, but you were still in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And when the people were asking, where is Martin? And you said, Martin is in Bali. What was the reaction of the people?
Wow, in Bali. We would like to go there. And actually I didn't understood them. I thought, what is special in this island? But when I arrived, I'm feeling good here. I'm feeling like home.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also now I understand why people like this island very much.
So why? What do you think? Why?
Because also everything is together. Like you said, soul things and also culture, and also that that Bali Island is so different.
I think we are in the right place because now I think we have a bigger chances to have more guests in the beginnings than, for example, Philippines.
And also we have more freedom here.
Yeah, and we've been pretty, like, all the quarantine time was really like elastic, I would like to say, from the terms of all these lockdowns and other stuff. We were still able to freely move around, and the people were able to come to Bali during this quarantine time. And we got a new friends, so many new friends, just because they were able to come to Bali, and we met for the first time here. And because there were not so many things to do, they started diving as well, because in the south all the beaches was closed, so they definitely started to think what to do, because it's boring to sit in your villa and do nothing, right? So I think that's the advantage of Bali. Like, we met the people during the quarantine when there was many cases, COVID cases. Remember you were...
I said Corona, and she said no. In Bali we don't have Corona.
She became angry, actually. She was like, no, we don't have any Corona because we're drinking arak, probably.
No, because they're praying.
Because they're praying as well. But why we started all this talk is that July is not so far. It's another 20 days, a little bit more, but definitely not that long time comparing to what we've been living through. And we really hope that Bali will be that place where the people will come, and we will have a lot of new friends, new divers, and the people to whom we will be able to show everything we have here. And believe me, we have so many things. You already see it on my channel, but we have even more. And when we will be able to freely move, then we will be able to show you also more. And I have to keep the promise to Windy, because I definitely have to go to Lovina and do diving there as well. Believe me, I never heard about Lovina as a diving site. Everybody's talking about the Menjangan, which is a national park, and which is a little bit more closer to the Permuteran, which is a Permuteran area. I'm at Tulamben. I've been diving close to Lovina in Tejakula, but Tejakula is still pretty far from Lovina, and I know what type of the reefs are there, but yeah, interesting. When we will have a little bit more, financial situation will be a little bit better, we definitely will go around and we'll show. That's actually in our interest to show you as much we can. All right, thank you very much for watching today again. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.